This video showcases the most powerful, extraordinary and massive machines in the world. Let's dive right in. You've heard of Spider-Man, but have you seen an excavator that moves like him? It can't save you from villains, but it works where other machines can't reach. Watch this giant machine process up to 31 tons of logs with incredible efficiency. Operating it is satisfying. It effortlessly trims branches, a pleasure to watch. See how smoothly this leaf picker works. It auto-empties when full. Think excavators are clumsy? Watch this one flip debris with ease. This sturdy machine handles tough jobs, breaking up rocky soil effortlessly. Just watching this massive crane at work is awe-inspiring. Imagine driving this 5,000-ton beast. What a feeling that must be. For this giant, nothing's impossible. Its 91-inch blade cuts even concrete. This dump truck hauls 60 tons. But how do you change its tires? It's a complex job requiring specialized equipment and teams. This machine lets firefighters stay safe, spraying water up to 80 meters. It looks futuristic but serves us on Earth, working autonomously with various tools. This behemoth looks like a mobile home, but it's actually a planting machine. With it, farming efficiency will greatly improve. It can handle 18 rows at once, with a max sowing capacity of 130,000 seeds per hour. This machine makes the once tedious packing work incredibly easy. It has a strong appetite, happily absorbing almost all organic waste and producing top-quality fertilizer. This excavator has sports car power, effortlessly digging through hard rock. We've seen dump trucks, but this beast lives up to its name. Its trailer can swim, tackle swamps and mountains. Even trees in its path aren't a problem. It's an all-terrain dump truck. This machine is so powerful, it effortlessly grinds large branches into precise pieces. Modern robotic builders like this can lay 225 bricks per hour, about 4 times faster than humans. Hydraulics finished the job. Now it's the roller's turn. With these, harvesting speed increases several times. A floating excavator might sound unbelievable, but it's real and can reach depths of 15 feet. This 200 horsepower swamp cleaner cuts through soil effortlessly, like a hot knife through butter. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for more exciting content next time.